Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about long division. So we have a square minus 19a minus 25 over a minus 7. So I put them in here and here to show about how to do about long division in here. So we have a square and minus 19a. So in this situation, we have a square is about the highest power in here. This coefficient is about number 1. So on the top one, we just use about a, because a multiplied with a, you will go about a square in here. A multiplied with negative 7, we put about negative 7a in here. Later that, we put about negative sign in here. A square minus a square, you cancel together. Negative 19, we have negative and negative number 7. So negative, negative, you got about positive number 7 in here. And now we have negative 19 plus 7. And you will get about negative 12. Next one, we have the negative 12 in here. So on the top, we put about negative 12, because negative 12 multiplied with a, you will go about negative 12a in here. And we put about negative 25 in here. Negative 12 multiplied with negative 7, you will go about positive number. That should be about 84. So we put a negative sign here. Negative 12 and negative 12, they will cancel together. Negative 25, and we have the negative in here. So negative with 84, you will go about negative 84. Negative 25, negative 84, you will get about negative 109. So this number in here, we call them is about remainder. So we will have the formula to get the result in here. We have a minus 12, so we put in here, and we have the remainders, that's about negative 109. This number cannot divide anymore, so we put about a minus 7. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.